Welcome to QuickGuides. Today you'll learn how to stop rereading your notes over and over and finally start learning in a way that sticks. Rereading feels productive, but it's only an illusion. Your brain recognizes the material, but that doesn't mean you truly understand it or can recall it later. One of the fastest ways to stop passive rereading is to try teaching the concept back. If you can't explain it clearly, you haven't learned it yet. Questions force retrieval, the most powerful learning tool. Making your own mini-quizzes transforms passive reading into real engagement. Blurting trains your brain to recall information without cues. It's one of the quickest ways to identify what you know and what you don't. Your notes should guide your thinking, not overwhelm you. Shorter, clearer, and more connected notes stop rereading from turning into a time drain. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, QuickGuides, to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.